Today we are looking at this very cool camera, which is a Ring video doorbell, which was sent to me by Ring. So Ring are actually owned by Amazon. And this security camera sits on your door, connects to the free Ring app, and it basically allows you to make your home secure. So let's just look at the packaging to see some of the features. So there's live view, which allows you to check in on your home anytime from the Ring app. You can get motion alerts, which allows you to get notified when there's movement at home. There's HD video and two-way talk, so you can see and speak with visitors in crystal clear video. There is night vision, which allows you to watch over your home even when it's dark. This is a water-resistant video doorbell, so you can keep an eye on your front door even when there's rain or shine. And it allows you to record and capture, so you can opt into the Ring Protect program to save and share videos and photos. So let's take a closer look inside and see what this camera is all about. Very nice packaging, I must say. So as you open the box, you're greeted to this sign that says always home. And if you remove this, let's take a quick look what's inside over here. So this is a Ring sign that you can stick at your home to let people know that you've got security, as well as all product information that you may need and setup guides and whatnot. Let's move this to the side. And then we have the video doorbell. Okay, so how this works is this is mounted on your door, and then someone pushes this button, boom, activates the camera, alerts you on the app, and you can see who is there, you can speak to them, you can tell them to go away. It's also got this box with your installed tools, so you can easily mount it. Some screws, some more screws, a micro USB cable, as well as a screwdriver to make sure it's level, and also this screwdriver piece should you need it. Okay, so thank you to Ring Africa for sending this to me, and I will get it set up and go from there. Right, so the next step is to download the Ring app from the Play Store. I'm using Android, so I'll do so as follows. So I'll search for the Ring app. And there it is. We're going to install it. Okay, it's busy downloading. Okay, the app is now installed. Let's open it up. Okay, so you need to either log in or sign up. So I'm going to sign up. I'm just going to enter my details, and then I'll show you when I'm logged in. Okay, so I've put in all my details. Now it wants me to link it to my Amazon account so that it can work through Alexa, but I don't have an Amazon account or Alexa device, so I'm going to skip it. And I'm going to enable two-factor authentication for security purposes, which I recommend you do. Okay, let's just do this. So I finally have the Ring app set up. Now I'm going to add my Ring video doorbell by clicking over here. And then I'm going to select doorbell. Okay, allow. So now I'm going to scan the code on the Ring device. So let me get the device out. So all you need to do is remove the back cover and then you'll see a QR code which we are going to scan. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to enter my address here. Okay, I have now entered my address. This is just a warning about using the right amount of screws. And it tells you how to actually set it up. And it tells you actually how to, and it reminds you about the bag of screws. Okay, I'm just going to call it office. Another warning. Press and release the orange button on the back of your Ring doorbell. So it's this button over here.
Say hello to Ring.
Okay,
follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
Okay. I'm now connecting my phone to the Ring video doorbell.
The Ring app is now connected to your Ring device.
I'm going to select my Wi-Fi network and I'm just going to enter my password in.
Your Ring device is now connecting to your Wi-Fi network. This might take a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day. Setup was successful. With Ring, you're always home.
Okay, my Ring is now set up. Okay, just customizing it. Okay, he has a tutorial how to install it. I'll do the battery power only option for now. Okay, you got to decide on location and mark the screws. Okay, hard surface. Okay, I will do this later. Okay, I don't have a chime. I'm gonna skip that. I'm done. Right, so I finally have the Ring video doorbell on my door. So let's ring it and see what happens. Cool. My phone has a notification that someone's at my office. So let's open this up. So there we are. I can answer the call. And I can talk. Hello. And I can hear the people. Okay. Let's just pause that all. So now I can talk and hear them. And see them. There's the camera. There's me. Okay. Let's end the call and show you the rest of the app. So if you click over here, you can see your dashboard, which I am on, and you can see your Ring cameras that you've got, and you can see new features. And then there's the device list. If you open that up, you can see your video doorbell, that it's online. And over here, there's all different features and modes like event history, mode settings, motion snooze, linked chimes, device health, motion settings, power settings, device settings, and also help. So with all these different modes, you can go through and really get the camera up to your spec. You can also click live view and you can see the live view of the camera, which is there, or you can scroll over here and see what happened in the past. How do you do that? In the mode settings feature, you can set different modes. So if you're at home and you want the cameras off, or if you're away and you only want certain cameras on, you can do that. Motion snooze, if you'd like to turn off motion for a set amount of time, you can do that there. You can see your device health, the battery level and everything like that. You can adjust your motion settings. You can see the power settings and what's using the battery. And then also device settings, you can tweak a whole lot of different things over here.